The English portion of the ACT test will contain questions that test your ability to recognize correct word choices because of subject-verb agreement. As a quick reminder, nouns, verbs, and pronouns have special forms or endings that indicate number, or if a word is singular or plural. If the noun or pronoun is singular, the verb must also be singular for the subject and verb to agree. Conversely, if a noun is plural, having more than one, then the plural form of the verb must be chosen to match the plural noun. To figure out if the ACT question is testing you on subject-verb agreement, first, find the verb or action in the sentence. Then find out who or what is doing the action. Next, ask yourself, is the who or what performing the action singular, just one thing or person, or plural, more than one thing or person? Once you determine if the subject is singular or plural, go back to the verb, which is the action, and determine if it's also singular or plural. The two must match. As long as you can determine the subject and verb in a sentence, figuring out if they agree is relatively simple. But the ACT test will try and put in some more challenging examples. The following list of rules are ones to review before taking the ACT test. They are listed on the website next to this video and can be downloaded as a document for you to use when studying as well. Here they are. First, beware of collective nouns like family or group. They use the singular form. For example, the family is vacationing in Florida. Also, watch out for connecting words. Two subjects connected by the words or, nor, either, neither, nor. They all require a singular verb form. The example, my dog or cat is my favorite pet. Either the player or the manager is setting up today's lineup. Is the correct verb choice, being singular, not are. Another rule is that when a singular subject is connected by or, nor, either, neither, or nor to a plural subject, put the plural subject last and use the plural verb. For example, the sugar bowl or the cups go on that shelf. In this sentence, isolate the plural word cups with the plural verb go. Similarly, when a singular or plural subject are connected by or, nor, either, neither, or nor, put the plural subject last and use the plural verb. Neither Lucas nor the others are playing today. A question indicating this example may be checking not only subject-verb agreement, but also your ability to use the correct word placement. This rule may be checking that. Also, when either and neither are subjects, they also take singular verbs. Neither of them is available to play today. Use the plural verb with two or more subjects when they're connected by and. A man and a monkey are types of mammals. Ignore words such as along with, as well as, besides, or not when determining whether to use a singular or plural verb. The principal, along with the teachers, is working on a solution. Ignore the along with the teachers part and isolate the singular principal and use the singular verb, is. Another rule to remember is that the words each, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, someone, and somebody are singular and require singular verbs always, regardless of what follows the word of. For example, each of the contestants sings well. Also, look for words that indicate portions, a percent, fraction, part, majority, some, all, none, remainder, and so forth. If the object of the preposition is singular, use the singular verb. If the object of the preposition is plural, use a plural verb. For example, 1/2 of the pie is gone. Pie is singular, so use is. But if the sentence read, 1/2 of the pieces of pie are gone, pieces are plural, so the plural are must be used. If the words the number is in a sentence, the verb is singular while the expression a number is followed by a plural verb. For example, the number of people at the stadium is 10,000, but a number of people are at the stadium. A final rule is to use a singular verb with sums of money or periods of time. For example, 10 years is a long time to wait. Remember, there are several test examples on the website that you should look at as a reminder before you take the actual test. And you can download a list of these rules to study from as well. Remembering these rules will help you ace the questions on subject-verb agreement.